Jalandhara. He was born from the body of Lord Shiva, extremely powerful person, and he got married to a very chaste woman called Vrinda. Now, he's a Daitya. Being a Daitya, the first thing he did was to take over the heavenly kingdom. And he himself is so powerful, being the Amsha of Lord Shiva. On top of that, to make him even more powerful, he got married to one of the most chaste ladies in the entire universe. So there is absolutely no way this person could be defeated. Because every time he is fighting Vrinda Devi, is worshipping Narayana and protecting him by her chastity. So the demigods failed. They approached Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva had a fight. He failed. So then they had a big meeting. The meeting was, somehow or other we have to break the chastity of Vrinda. Only then we'll be able to kill Jalandhara. So Lord Vishnu took the form of Jalandhara and broke the chastity of Vrinda by cheating. So then Lord Shiva went, killed Jalandhar. Jalandhar, news came that the Jalandhar died. So now Vrinda Devi is like, who is this man standing in front of me? So then on the power of her chastity, she told him, you have to show who you are. And that Sriman Narayana appears. And when Narayana appeared, she had a heart attack. He said, my whole life I worshipped you. And you are the one who cheated me. So she was devastated. She said, you are a rock-hearted person. Turn into rock. So Narayana actually became statue, stone, dead, can't do anything. So now the whole universe is falling apart because Narayana is the one who's maintaining the universe. There is nobody to maintain. The whole universe is falling apart. Everybody is trying to pacify Vrinda Devi. Nobody is successful. Finally, Lakshmi Devi herself comes. Now Lakshmi Devi is the sister to Jalandhar. Both of them were born from the ocean. So she's the sister to Jalandhar. And she starts begging, please allow my husband to live. Now Vrinda Devi at that time says, a sister never goes empty-handed back from a brother's house. So I take my curse back. So she took the curse back. Narayana is back again in his Satchidananda form. And he says, to maintain your curse, I'll appear in the form of Shaligram. And I will marry you on this tithi. So that's the Purnima of Rasa, Kartik month. So it's Kartik Purnima. From Ekadashi to Purnima, 5 days are considered as Tulsi Shaligram Vivaha. Because Vivaha actually goes for 5 days. We are doing it all in 1 day. So Tulsi Shaligram Vivaha. Vrinda Devi, after she was so heartbroken by her power of chastity, she burned herself just like Sati. She burned herself. Lord Vishnu empowered her to become the Tulsi plant. And he said, without Tulsi, I will not accept anything. She will be the most dear to me. She will be a Bhakti Devi. People want to approach me, they have to worship Tulsi. So like that, Vrinda Devi became Tulsi Devi. Narayana became Shaligram. And on this day, we are doing the Vivaha. So, our Mataji, Shyamati.